This is the master bath, the built-in giant mirror, sink, toilets, more storage behind here. And this is a whole built-in dresser in the closet. This is where it gets a little funky. Have more of this. Shower. Handicap bar. And this leads into the kids' bathroom. Another one of those. Their bathroom's a little nicer, I think. Toilet, sink. Tub, no shower.